Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Imran and today I am going to tell you about pronouns. What is pronoun? A pronoun can replace a noun or an other pronoun. For example, he, which, none, and you are the examples of pronoun. We use these pronouns to make sentences less awkward. Now the kinds of pronouns. There are many pronouns like personal pronouns, reflexive pronouns, emphatic pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, interrogative pronouns, distributive pronouns, reciprocal pronouns, relative compound pronouns, and possessive pronouns. So today we are going to discuss some of these pronouns. Personal and possessive pronouns. Personal pronouns. They take the place of persons or things. For example, I, me, you, he, she, her, and it. These are the singular personal pronouns. These pronouns we use in our daily sentences. Now the personal pronouns which are plural. These are we, us, them, their, your. These are the plural personal pronouns. Now the possessive pronouns. These are used instead of nouns to show possession or relationship. For example, mine, ours, yours, his, hers, and theirs. Now the reflexive pronouns. They are pronouns in which the actions done by the subject reflect upon it. Self or selves is added to the personal pronouns. For example, themselves, myself, himself, herself, yourself, and themselves. These are the examples of reflexive pronouns. Now the emphatic and demonstrative pronouns. Emphatic pronouns. They show emphasis and are generally used after the pronoun. For example, he himself organized a picnic, and the other example is she herself baked the cake. So, in these examples, himself and herself are emphatic pronouns. He is a pronoun and himself is emphatic pronoun because it is used to emphasize. Next is demonstrative pronouns. These pronouns demonstrate people or things they stand for. For example, this, that, these, and those are examples of demonstrative pronouns. Now the indefinite and interrogative pronouns. Indefinite pronouns. A pronoun which refers to a person or thing in a general way. For example, someone, everything, nobody, few, none, anyone, all, others. These are the examples of indefinite pronouns. Other one is interrogative pronouns. They are used for asking questions. For example, we use the WH questions and we use these pronouns in those type of questions. For example, who, whom, whose, what, and which. These are the examples of interrogative pronouns. Now the relative pronouns. Relative pronoun refers to a preceding noun, and the examples of relative pronouns are that, who, which, when, whose, what, whatever. For example, this is the boy who stood first. So this is a pronoun, and who in this sentence is a relative pronoun. So it was today's lecture. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.